Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Cilantro, bright and citrusy for some, pure soap for others. What's causing the flavor divide? Today, we're breaking down the chemistry and genetics behind cilantro, the aroma compounds that give it its signature flavor, and the genetic variation that makes some people experience those same compounds as soapy or chemical-like. Cilantro is one of the most divisive ingredients in cooking. This isn't just preference, it's rooted in biology. Your nose and your genes shape how you experience cilantro's aroma. Cilantro's flavor comes from aldehydes, aromatic compounds also found in soaps, lotions, and some cleaning products. Most people interpret these aldehydes as fresh and citrusy. But some people have a variation in a smell receptor gene called OR6A2. This receptor is especially sensitive to those soapy-smelling aldehydes. So instead of blending into a pleasant herbal aroma, the aldehydes stand out sharply, triggering that soap perception. It's not that cilantro contains soap. That's the brain matching the smell to other things that share the same chemical compounds. This is why the reaction is so strong and specific. If cilantro tastes like soap to you, crushing it before adding it to food can help. Bruising the leaves releases different aroma compounds that soften the soapy notes. Or use cilantro's seeds, coriander. They don't trigger the same reaction. They contain a different set of aroma compounds, which is why more people enjoy coriander spice. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.